Making the most of Viagra. Timing is key.
Hello, viewers. Today we're going to be talking about a common question many people have about the use of Viagra. It's an important medication that helps improve sexual function, but understanding how to use it optimally is crucial. Specifically, we're discussing the question, how long before sexual activity should I take Viagra for optimal results?
What is Viagra?
Viagra, also known by its generic name, sildenafil, is a medication typically used to treat erectile dysfunction. It works by increasing blood flow to the penis to help a man get and keep an erection. However, it does not result in an instant and automatic erection. Sexual stimulation is still needed.
When should I take Viagra?
So, you might be wondering, when exactly should I take Viagra for it to work optimally? The answer is approximately 30 minutes to an hour before sexual activity. This gives the medication enough time to be absorbed into your system and start working. It's important to remember that you shouldn't take Viagra more than once a day.
What factors can influence Viagra's effectiveness?
It's also important to note that certain factors can influence how Viagra works. For instance, taking Viagra on a full stomach, particularly after a high-fat meal, can delay its absorption and therefore its onset of action. Additionally, the medication might not be as effective if you're under stress or experiencing mental health issues such as anxiety or depression.
Can I adjust the timing?
While 30 minutes to an hour is the typical recommendation, some men might find they need a longer window before seeing the full effects. You can experiment with timing a bit, taking Viagra anywhere from 30 minutes to 4 hours before sexual activity. However, its effectiveness might decrease the further you get from the 1 hour mark. In conclusion, taking Viagra about 30 minutes to an hour before sexual activity can help you achieve optimal results. Always remember to take it on an empty stomach if possible, and consider your mental and emotional state as well. We hope this video has been helpful to you, and as always, consult with your healthcare provider for advice tailored to your specific circumstances. Thank you for watching.